The Holy Quran, Allah tells us, they plan and Allah plans. And Allah is the best of planners. Think about that for a second. People will plot against you. They'll envy you. They'll try to block opportunities that were written for you. They'll talk, they'll scheme, they'll wish for your downfall. But here's the truth. No plan can ever override Allah's plan. Not your enemies, not your boss, not even you. Sometimes we cry over doors that close, not realizing Allah was protecting us from walking into something that could destroy us. Sometimes we beg for things we think are good, but Allah removes them because He knows what we don't know. Because what Allah writes for you, nobody can take away. And what He doesn't write for you, even the whole world cannot give you. So stop losing sleep over who's against you. Stop stressing over what slipped away, because at the end of the day, Allah's plan is not only the strongest, it's also the most merciful. Even when He takes, it's out of mercy. Even when He delays, it's out of mercy. And even when He says no, it's only because He has a better yes waiting for you.
وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ.